may tao, may tao. May tao, may tao. Patayin. Okay, we're here. Anong pangalan mo? What's your name? Chantal, what's your surname? What's your full name? Okay, you just calm down. We were going to help you, okay? Okay. Tulungan niyo. Okay, you cooperate with us. Careful. You go with them. Mag-ready kayo ng pagkain dyan. You go there, Chantal. In the open area. There, you wear your slippers. Bigyan niyo ng pagkain. You eat. You just wear that. Kainin. You eat first. Chantal, you eat. Yung isang squad mag-scour. Mag-scour ng isang squad. Baka may mga, alam pa dyan, may mga baril-baril or kung ano man.
Dito naman doon, dito lang banda. Dito lang banda.
Doon, makan ko na doon.
Dito lang banda, pinagdama na din.
Ba't ka napunta dito, Chantal? Why did you come here? He's a what? Fling? Why did he take you here? In Mindoro? What's his purpose? Huh? His family? If you don't trust him, then why did you come with him? You tell us the truth. We're trying to help you, so you better tell us the truth, okay? Why did you come here? Why? What are you embarrassed about? Oh, it's okay. You eat first, you eat. So, you came here December 27, ever since you were here na. So, when did you go here? December 31st? December 31st? You ran away from him?
No, January 1st. The money. When we got into a fight. I got lost.
Do you have cell phone in you?
Ito yung lagayan niya siya nakuha doon.
Sama na po yun.
Dito sa kanya, butas
You have your cell phone with you?
chair.
I-check nyo daw.
You have a cellphone?
Kaya nyo. Kalugay, iradyo mo. Kalugay.
May ID dyan. Dyan lang. ID. Huwag lumapit.
Papasabog ako dyan. May papasabog? Wala.
May ID, di ba?
Kalugay, radyo.
May ID na. Sige, dali.
Yan na yun.
Dito, Miracle. Where's your gun?
Ah, sige. Move slowly.
Dito, Miracle.
Move slowly.
No, you go by yourself. Go there.
Di.
Ko rin po, may nahuli kaming babae dito na mukhang Tagalog, English speaking.
Itas mo, you put your shirt up.
Di. Your hands up.
Sir, 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 ha?
Yeah, just
Positive to, sir, positive to, positive.
Turn around. Okay, you move there. You move there.
Tagalog, baby,
Sir,
Tagalog.
sir. Gano'n, sir. Baka tumakbo pa eh.
You move here. You move here. Like me. You move here. Yes, you move up. No. Come.
Positive at yung
Ano, bala ko pa.
jogging pass ito, jogging pass. Kasi ito, kasi naman nila, kasi.
Sige.